Hi, students, friends, and well wishers. Thank you for watching my videos and supporting me. Today, let us do an activity of finding the refractive index of prism. For this activity, we require a prism and drawing board, drawing pins, drawing sheet, needle pins, pencil, set square, protractor and scale. A prism is a transparent material bound by at least two plane surfaces inclined at an angle. This angle is called as angle of prism or refracting angle of prism. It is denoted by A. First, we take the prism and draw the boundary of the prism. That this triangle name is PQR. Let us draw a normal at a point M on side PQ. Now, at an angle of 30 degrees, let us draw incident ray. So we take angle of incidence as 30 degrees. Now we fix two pins on incident ray vertically to the surface. Now we place the prism in its place. Looking from the other side of the prism, we have to fix another two pins such that all the four pins lie on the same line. Now we remove the glass slab and join these 2 points C and D. This is emergent ray. Now join these 2 points M and N. It is refracted ray. Now extend the incident ray and extend the emergent ray backwards. The angle between incident ray and emergent ray is the angle of deviation. Now let us find the angle of deviation by using the protractor. It is 45 degrees. 45 degrees. In this way, we have to perform another 5 to 10 activities and find the angle of incidence value and the angle of deviation value respectively. Now, if we observe, PQR is the prism, AB is the incident ray, MN is the refracted ray, CD is the emergent ray. This is angle of incidence, this is angle of emergence. Now we extend incident ray forward and emergent ray backward. Then they meet at a point O. Now the angle between these two is called angle of deviation. Students, I have conducted 5 experiments by taking angles of incidence as first I is equal to 30 degrees, then I get angle of deviation 45 degrees. Second one, I is equal to 35 degrees, I get D is equal to 41. When I is equal to 40, I get D is equal to 39. When I is equal to 45, I get D is equal to 38. When I is equal to 50 degrees, I get D is equal to 40 degrees. We tabulated I and D values in this table and draw the graph taking I values on x-axis and D values on y-axis, and we plot the respective points of I and D values, and if you observe, we get a graph, a curved line, and this is the angle of minimum deviation. We get angle of minimum deviation at 6.5 degrees. We find the refractive index of prism by using this formula. N is equal to sin A plus B by 2 by sin A by 2. In this, A is the angle of prism, that is 60 degrees, and D is the angle of minimum angle of deviation at 6.5 degrees. Now substitute these two values in the formula. Finally, we get 1.48 as the refractive index of the prism. In this way, we find the refractive index of prism.